about one of the #1 things I get asked: what's in your Starbucks cup? I don't really live anywhere near a Starbucks. However, I end up at Starbucks quite frequently. Mostly because I have to drive to Nashville a lot for my doctor's appointments, and then when I go shopping, I usually either go to Jackson or Nashville, and then if I'm anywhere near a Starbucks, you can bet I'm gonna pop in and get me something. So one of the most frequently asked questions is, what's my order? Since I'm keto, because a lot of people think that you can only order sugary things at Starbucks, and it's just not true. There's plenty of keto options, and I'm just gonna go through my top ones. The first thing you need to do when you order at Starbucks is make sure that you tell them that you want everything unsweetened. So espresso, an iced espresso, unsweetened. Iced coffee, unsweetened, because they will put what's called classic syrup in your coffee even if you don't ask for it. So you have to specifically say no classic or unsweetened. Just say that just to be safe. Starting with the one that I usually get most, which is a triple shot espresso with a splash of heavy cream. I either add my own stevia, or I get, if I'm feeling fancy, 3 pumps of sugar-free cinnamon dolce. Now, if you are new to keto, you might be like, oh, they have stevia at Starbucks. They kind of have stevia, but not really. The stevia packets that they have, if you flip them over, actually have dextrose in them, which is sugar, so you're basically defeating the purpose there. So either bring your own stevia or get the sugar-free stuff, which has sucralose in it, which isn't great, but it's better than sugar. So that is my #1 order. In the summer, I get it over ice, and you can ask for it blended, and then it's kind of like you got a frappe without all the sugar. No whipped cream. No whipped cream ever. Heavy cream, yes. Whipped cream, no. The second order that you can get that I don't love, but a lot of people order it because it is keto, is an Americano. An Americano is just hot water and coffee, basically. And then you can add heavy cream with it, and you can add stevia or the sugar-free pumps as well. I just don't like the flavor of an Americano, but some people love it. So if you've never tried it, give it a try. It's basically just dark roast coffee is what it tastes like to me. I like a little bolder flavor. I got that Puerto Rican in me, and I like stuff to be very strong. I love, love, love strong flavored coffee. By the way, let me just say, I know Starbucks doesn't have the best coffee in the world, okay? And I do support local cafes. Believe me, I don't only go to Starbucks. But this is my most frequently asked question, so that's why we're talking about Starbucks, okay? You could order any of these anywhere. So let me just put that out there before somebody's like, coffee from Starbucks is disgusting. I don't think it's disgusting, but no, it's not the best coffee in the world, okay? My third order is a macchiato made with heavy cream. Basically, a macchiato is just espresso with cream. If you tell them to make it with heavy cream, they will. Most places will be very accommodating with you. Again, I add my stevia, and I bring my own packets, or I substitute for the sugar-free pumps. Like I said, I don't go to Starbucks that often because I don't live near one, but I was going every day, I wouldn't do the sugar-free. But because it's every now and then, once in a while, sucralose, not that big a deal for me. If it's a big deal for you, don't do it. Do stevia. The last thing that I will order from Starbucks is actually a tea. It's called a London Fog, and what it is it's an Earl Grey tea made with milk, but I substitute milk for heavy cream, and I ask for it unsweetened. And you can get sugar-free vanilla, like 2 pumps, 2 to 3 pumps, or you can just put stevia in it, just like the rest of them. I really like it. I think it tastes amazing, and it's one of my most favorite drinks at Starbucks. But those are the things that I order when I go to Starbucks. I hope this helped you. If it did, please give me a thumb and leave me a comment in the description and tell me what you order from Starbucks. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you be a part of my online family, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you, mean it.